If the initial velocity in horizontal direction of a unit vector I and the equation of trajectory is 5x into 1 minus x, the y component vector of the initial velocity, I think I missed out many words in the question here, sorry. Okay, anyway, the y component of the vector has been asked. Okay, so what's given to us is equation of trajectory, right? So trajectory equation is given to be 5x minus 5x square. I will compare this with 5x into tan theta into x minus 5 by ux square into x square. And when I compare this, what do I get? What I get is tan theta is equal to 5, right? And if I compare coefficient of x square and x square, what I get is 5 is equal to 5 by ux square. So for tan theta, I'll write it as u sin theta by u cos theta is equal to 5, and ux square is 5 by 5, which is equal to 1. Now what is ux square? It is u square cos square theta is equal to 1. So if I square this equation on both sides, what do I get? U square sin square theta by u square cos square theta is equal to 5 square, and u square cos square theta is equal to 1. So u square cos square theta is equal to 1. So what we get is u square sin square theta is equal to 5 square, and therefore taking the square root on both sides, what we get is u sin theta is equal to 5 and u cos theta is equal to 1. What is u is equal to? U is equal to ux I cap plus uy j cap. What is ux? Ux is u cos theta. So we have here 1i plus, what is uy? Uy is u sin theta, which is 5j, and therefore the second y component is 5j. Straightforward question. See, this is the this is the third question we've been doing on equation of trajectory. Again, to have a brief outlook about the same, let us look at this equation y once again. So what is y is equal to? Equation of trajectory is x tan theta, right? X tan theta minus g by ux square into x square, right? Sorry, x square by 2. X square by 2. Now what manipulation would I do here? I'll write x is equal to y is equal to x tan theta minus, I'll take g as 10. What is 10 by 2? 10 by 2 is 5. So we can write as 5 by ux square into x square. Now what is the given equation here? Y is equal to 5x minus 5x square. If we compare the coefficient of x, what is left? Tan theta and tan theta, which means we can say that tan theta is equal to 5. If I compare the coefficient of x square, what do we have here? 5 by x square is equal to 5. So we have 5 by ux square is equal to 5. So from here, what is ux square is equal to? Ux square is equal to 1. What is ux square? Ux is u cos theta. So it's actually like this. U is equal to ux I cap plus uy j cap. And what is u? It is, so what is ux? Is u cos theta. And what is uy? It is u into sin theta. And how does this comes? This comes from the fact that if a velocity vector is u inclined at an angle theta, this component is u cos theta, and the vertical component here is u sin theta. So if u cos theta is equal to 1, right? If u cos theta is equal to 1, what do we have? Tan theta here. Tan theta can be written as u sin theta by u cos theta is equal to 5. What is the value of u cos theta? It is 1. If I substitute here, what do I get? I get u sin theta is equal to 5. If u sin theta is equal to 5, what is uy? Uy is 5. In which case, what is u? U is now equal to ux into I cap plus, what is uy? Uy is 5 into j cap. And what is 5 j cap? It is the y component. So the component is 5j. And the y component of the vector is 5. Okay. Right. So now moving on to the next question.